This is the Canadian Country Showcase. Here's Courtney Fielder.
We are joined here with one of our favorite brother-sister duos, the Reklaws, Jenna and Stu. Thanks for hanging out with us here today.
We're back, baby.
We're back in business.
And back with some new music too, February 2nd. I know your fans are going to absolutely love this one. I grew up on a farm. What can you guys tell us about this one?
It means a lot to us, this song. Honestly, we wrote it only a month ago, which is kind of crazy. Usually you hold on to a song for like 2 years, but this one we wrote 1 month ago and it's coming out and we can't believe it. It also means so much to us, this song. I think the past 2 years have been kind of crazy for us, and from like just a personal standpoint, and we haven't put out a lot of music. And I think what's been so special is coming back to our roots and hearing this song and being reminded of what's important. And the truth is where we're from, we're so proud of. And I think a lot of country fans will resonate with this, because even if you didn't grow up on a farm, I think country music makes you feel like you did, and you're a part of this community. And we just are so proud of what's made us who we are, and the people that are now around us, this country music community. And we wanted to write a song for them.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, I was gonna say the genre itself, country. I feel like a few years ago, a lot of our fans you can tell a lot of our fans have been country fans since they were born. But this song, like Jenna said, you don't have to be from the country necessarily to like understand it. It's more so like it's another version of I was country before country was cool in a lot of ways. I hope a lot of fans will understand that.
Oh, definitely. And I got to take a listen to this song as well, which amazing. Like this is like the most Reklaws song I've ever heard before. Like you guys did so awesome on this one. And like you said, to have this one like written and everything in like a month ago to now getting ready to release this one, like that just must be like crazy fast timelines for you guys. Like, is that as fast as you've ever like written a song, got it produced, and then getting ready to like release it?
It's easily the fastest ever. It was pretty crazy we did it over Christmas recording. We were in the studio. I think Christmas Eve, we were in the studio trying to wrap this up. And we hadn't finished it yet, but there was parts of it that we wanted to get right, and finally got it right. And it's like out and ready. And now we just need to take pictures and make it all link together. But it's exciting.
Oh, that's awesome. And I see you guys are sharing like little pieces of this song on your socials too. And it seems like people are very pumped already about this song, just hearing like those 10 to like 30-second clips.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Those little teasers, we wrote this. I don't Wild Rivers, the like folk band, they opened up for the Chicks this past summer, but we wrote it with the lead singing guy up that. He was just like randomly was in Nashville, lives in Nashville now, and he wants to write country music, and he brought a lot of heart to the song. That's I think why everyone's gonna hopefully feel that like emotion when they hear it for the first.
That's awesome, especially coming off fresh too with a song like this one, off of a #1 with Honky Tonkin' About with Drake Milligan. Like that's some pretty big momentums for you guys.
It's big. The bar is set, if you know what I mean. But it's an exciting kickoff to 2024. I think it's cool to kind of reintroduce ourselves again as the Reklaws. I mean, these are the songs that when I think about our childhood and who we are and how we come across, it's these songs. It's kind of like we've been always trying to rewrite where I'm from. And this one felt so exactly that. And just to be proud to be who we are and what made us who we are.
And people just love who you are too. Just taking a step back here to Honky Tonkin' About, I had Drake Milligan in studios just before Christmas, and like the amazing things that he had to say about you guys and how much he loves you guys and appreciates you, and like appreciates that his very first #1 here in Canada is one with you guys.
Crazy.
We can't say enough good things about that guy. Honestly, he's just like, he's so Texan, but he's also like, he's woke, and he's like he's a new generation of cowboy that like everyone is going to be slowly more obsessed. I mean, the world already is obsessed with Drake, but like it's gonna start really happening, I think, in a big way.
He's got some pretty crazy dance moves too that we've seen here in studios when we were playing Honky Tonkin' About live.
Wait, is he dancing? Stop. His dancing is that is viral. That's viral stuff going on. I asked him to like do it for me, and he's like, I can't do it on the spot. Like I need the right moment. So if you saw it, you created the right moment for that to happen.
Oh, yeah.
Always love catching up with you. Is there anything you want to say to your fans that are going to be listening in?
Fans, listen up. You guys have changed our lives. Oh, you should put like some really great music behind this. Like, fans, listen up. You guys have changed our lives. And we just want to say a special thank you to you for always listening to the Reklaws and making us feel like we are cooler than we are. This is our brand new single, I Grew Up on a Farm, and it's written exactly for you. Thank you for everything you do. Forever and ever, we love you.
This one goes out to all the farmers and non-farmers, the guys in the front row and the back row raising up the tall boys. Let's have a party this summer and sing this all together. We debut. Grew up on a farm.
Country music,
As Canadian as a butter tart.
this is the Canadian Country Showcase.